The Nancy Thompson Library Learning Commons website is your gateway to searching for articles that will support your research interests and various information needs. In fact, the Library Learning Commons provides access through its database subscriptions to articles from more than 59,000 journals, magazines, and newspapers. Although some databases work reasonably well with simple Google-like searches, type in a few keywords and retrieve a bunch of results, you typically retrieve much better, more relevant results if you utilize some standard database searching options. You may access the Library Learning Commons website from Kean University's homepage. Simply click on the Quick Links button in the top right corner, then scroll down and click Library. For this tutorial, let's ignore the search box right there in the middle of the website. Other tutorials focus on how you can use this quick search box to access some articles, as well as books, ebooks, and videos from the Library Learning Commons collections. Fortunately, we do have access to 200 plus other databases. Simply start at the home page, then click the Databases A to Z link, which sits just below the quick search box. In this tutorial, we will use the PsycArticles database to explore a few search strategies, but keep in mind that these same search strategies will also work with most of the other databases listed on the A to Z databases page. For now, let's click the letter P on the alphabetical menu, then scroll down and click PsycArticles through EBSCOhost. This database defaults to the Boolean search mode, which means that it will work best if we type Boolean operators such as and, or not between our keywords and keyword phrases. Another one of our tutorials focuses on Boolean searching, so we won't explain it here. Imagine that we need to find articles that focus on college students and their experiences with social anxiety. Rather than typing in a full sentence or phrase, let's type only the main keywords from our research topic, putting the word and between each of these terms: social anxiety and college students. Browse the search results. This database happens to provide a section labeled Subjects several lines below each article title on the list. This Subjects section features a number of words assigned to the article based upon the article's focus. These subject words can help you determine whether or not the article is on target for your topic, but they can also suggest alternative words that you might use in a revised search. For our example, let's notice how some of the articles include subject terms like social anxiety and college students. It seems like we are on the right track. However, we also see terms like young adulthood and social phobia, so it might be worthwhile to incorporate these terms into a revised search. We are also seeing subject terms like alcohol drinking patterns, negative emotions, and emotional regulation. Incorporating new terms into our searches might produce some interesting results. Please note that in some databases, the subject terms may not appear right next to the search result list, as we are seeing in the PsycArticles database. Sometimes you may need to click on an article title to see the article record, which may list words categorized as subjects, descriptors, identifiers, or even author-supplied keywords. Most databases also provide an advanced search option, which can help you deal with extremely long, overwhelming search result lists or results that appear to be veering wildly off topic. In these situations, consider taking the subject terms you've identified over to the advanced search form. In PsycArticles, click the advanced search link that appears below the search box. In this example, the original search terms are automatically pulled into the first row of the advanced search form. Move the search terms into separate rows and, if necessary, click the plus sign to add more rows. Since the advanced form automatically connects each row with and, you can delete the word and from the search boxes. Notice the box labeled Select a Field to the right of each row. Click the drop-down menu and select SU Subjects from each row. When you run the search now, the database will retrieve only articles for which your search terms are listed as official subject terms, so you should get a much smaller list containing only relevant articles. As an alternative, you could also select AB Abstract from the Select a Field menu, and the database will retrieve only articles that contain your search terms in its abstract, or one-paragraph summary. In addition, the database will hopefully retrieve plenty of articles with full text availability, and you can use the database options for downloading, saving, or emailing the article. Try these search tips when running your own database searches. Most databases give you the option to switch from the default basic search to an advanced search option. Hopefully, these strategies will lead you to some great articles. If you need assistance, please stop by and speak with a librarian in the Nancy Thompson Library Learning Commons, or click Ask a Librarian toward the top of the webpage to see your various options for contacting us.